Welcome all of you. Today I will deliver the lecture on quantum mechanics, which is also named as wave mechanics and classical wave mechanics also, of BSc Part 3 and Unit 1 as quantum mechanics. So many conceptual. In our previous lecture, we have defined as the various contents, topics such as definitions of quantum mechanics, wavelength, wave number, electromagnetic wave, and various optical property of the electrons. In the series of various topics of quantum mechanics of BSc Part 3 in Unit 1, in elementary quantum mechanics we have also defined yesterday the definition of black body radiation and ideal black body radiations. Black body radiation is the chosen device in which absorbs the radiations as well as to emit the radiations. Such rigid, imaginary, dynamic body is known as black body radiation. I mean to say black body radiation is the imaginary cylinder which absorbs the radiation as well as that is of emissions. The part which absorbs the radiation, it will be symbolized by lambda as absorptivity. The part which emits the radiations is symbolized by that is of E. In the case of ideal black body radiations, we have also defined further that ideal black body radiations, ideal black body is that imaginary hard rigid sphere in which lambda becomes equals to that is of E. Various scientific law to define black body radiation, ideal black body radiations we have also explained in the classroom. In the series of various scientists, first of all we have also stated as that is of Lumer-Prexim law, in which on hitting any that is of rigid hard sphere, on hitting it will firstly take its color as that is of red. On infinite hitting it takes the form of color as that is white, because in graphical representation we have also explained here that at the origin point, when according to Lumer-Prexim law, on hitting it will firstly take the form of red. After hitting it will take the form of that is of white form, white color at the corner, at the origin. White color indicate the presence of visible light here. Similarly, we have also studied about that is of Kirchhoff's law. We have also discussed in the classroom that is of Wien's displacement law, Stephen's law, Rayleigh's law, Planck radiation law. These are the famous scientists who defined about electrical property as well as that is of black body radiation here. In the series we have also discussed about that is of de Broglie equation. De Broglie equation, according to that is of de Broglie hypothesis, electron which is moving around the nuclei can behave it's as particle as that is of waveform. Particle waveform is associated with that is of Planck equation. In the case that is of del E is equals to h nu, the energy of the photon is expressed by that is of h nu, and when electron is moving around the nuclei to form a wave, it will be classified, it will be defined by on the behalf of Einstein equation. I mean to say that is of dE That is, de Broglie equation is the sum of two important equations, PE, Planck equation, plus that is of EE, Einstein equation, and that we have derived de Broglie equation in which that is of moment is inversely proportional to that is of lambda. We have derived that is concerned that is of derivation that yesterday, and de Broglie hypothesis, its experimental made by that is of Davis and Germer. According to that is of Davis and Germer here, to prove, to verify how does that is of particle behave, electron behave, that is of its particle behave as well as that is a wave behavior when a beam of monochromatic light is incident to allow on that is of a particle here, and that is of a various angle, the various intensity of X-ray is now allowed here, monochromatic beam or radiation is allowed to incident on a particular crystal here, and various angle now allowed to send the photographic plate here. Davison and Germer, a various angle of rotation, angle of reflection, noted and plotted graph. He observed that the photographic plate, the electronic that is a diffraction photograph recorded by Davison and Germer is present in the form of circle, and same electronic pattern design graph, circle form, spherical form is also derived, produced by that is of Bragg equation 2D sin theta is equals to n lambda. X-ray, that is the spectral phenomena, and its research made by that is of spherical shape of X-ray defined, expressed by that is of Bragg equation. So both similar spherical form recorded by, plotted by Davison and Germer, and that is of de Broglie, that is of Bragg equation to define the Bragg equations, Bragg statement validity. Circle form, Davison Germer plotted in the form of electron diffraction pattern circle form, and that is of Bragg also plotted to produce on photographic plate here in the form of circle form as Bragg equation 2D sin theta is equals to n lambda here. In the series of various topics and contents of that is of quantum mechanics, let us proceed. Quantum mechanics rest and further topics to define the electronic and optical property, radiation property, electromagnetic property of the particles here. Now let us proceed quantum mechanics further here, that is of three subtopics here. T1 denote that is of property of wave function as that is of psi, and T2 physical significance of psi, and that is of psi square here, and T3 that is of T3 here, that is of important postulates here. T3 important postulate of quantum mechanics here. T1, once again dear student, listen to me. T1 property of particle as that is of psi. T2 that is of physical significance of psi and psi square, and T3 that is important postulate of quantum mechanics here. First of all, I will clear your doubt, your concept, your confusion in your mind. Generally, students are get confused. Students are confusion about these three topics. Once again, I am mentioning here. Once again, I call these three topics that is of T1 here, that is of property of psi, and T2 physical significance of psi and psi square, and third one that is of important, that is of postulate of quantum mechanics here. So students think all the three topics are similar, are the same, and their postulates, their theory must be the same here. But first of all, I want to clear your doubt in your mind. These three topics are different, postulates are different, statements are different, theory is different, although some postulates, some points may be the common here. Step by step, I would like to discuss here how these points which are different. First of all, I will deliver. Now today I will deliver the lecture on that is of T1 property of wave function psi. Psi, what does the value of psi? Psi is mainly concerned with the position of electronic species with respect to timing here. First postulate in regard of that is the property of psi. When electron is moving around the nuclei to maintain its that is of some shifting which is measured as that is of probability amplitude here. Dear students, I give one important message to you on the behalf of quantum mechanics. Psi and psi square give us the necessarily importance a theoretical knowledge to live daily to daily routine life. First one, that is of psi is nothing but it is mainly concerned with the position of particle in that is of atomic species with respect to timing here. Next postulate, that is of psi, maybe the psi should always possess the continuous value. Continuous value means that in our daily to daily routine life, in our theoretical life, behavior life, there must be a certain value, there must be a certain measurement of parameter for the radius of a continuity. This continuity will not be accepted by that is of a quantum mechanics here. Similarly, when electron is moving around the nuclei to form a continuous, discontinuous, broken species, broken lines will not be accepted by that is of quantum mechanics here. So that psi should always be that is of continuous. Next one, postulate the value of finite here. A next one parameter, what does quantum mechanics state? Give us the message here, finite value. Everything should be measurable here, like chair, table, that is of the shape of the cup of tea, glass, blackboard, even our fabric we wear. So I think size of the construction, residence, flat, etc., etc. So that is of a finite value will be accepted by that is of quantum mechanics. Listen to me once again about what does this value finite wants to say. There are so many atomic species, electronic species involving reacting in environment of chemically, physically, and that is the quantum mechanical field here. This statement said to us that is of to finite value. Electron is moving. Let us consider hydrogen atom to that is of last one, next one, final species including all rare earth element, transition element having a particular fixed last boundary here. I mean to say that is of infinite value will not be taken into account by quantum mechanics here. A certain measurement parameter is reserved. Just I will illustrate here fabric, glass, cup, pen, pencil, duster, box. So I mean to say quantum mechanics finite value will be accepted here in our daily to daily routine life. Next one, that is of a postulate to discuss about psi. Psi should possess always a single values here. You know here single values here. I meant to say here last boundary which will be known as that is of amplitude. One can say, one can modify it. A single value overlapping area will not be considered here. Suppose overlapping area is present inside of the system in atomic species. Quantum mechanics or this postulate, this property state as to as there may be some parallel distinguishable gap to identify. In the case of Stark and that is of Zeeman effect here, by means of strong electric field or magnetic field, single line bore observed further splitted into that is of parallel closure lines. This next postulate wants to say if splitted actually have been taken into account, obviously there must be clearly observations, there must be clearly gap to be readable, measurable, and overlapping system must not be taken into account according to that is of this one, that is of a single value here. Overlapping area, suppose you observe, I think it must be clear here. The overlapping closer lines should be seen, should be observed. In transverse direction should be perfectly clear here, measurable, readable, so it will be taken into account as measure quantity. Next one, postulate, that is of physical. Next one, topic, physical significance is chi-square. Here we will deliver, that is of tomorrow. Thank you very much.